Welcome to the GENEDGE Ask the Expert program, where we explore ways to enhance business performance. I'm Steve Holcomb, GENEDGE Project Manager, and today's topic, throughput accounting, is a real game changer. I also want to describe a complimentary GENEDGE assessment that we offer to Virginia companies. If you're grappling with how to make your cost accounting system achieve profitability, then you're in for a treat. Let's dive in. How does throughput accounting transform companies of all sizes, from startup to well-established businesses? Well, imagine your company is a ship traveling the ocean and the unpredictable waters of the business and market. And your task is to reach the safe harbor of net profit each year and avoid the rocky shoals of a net loss. Throughput accounting can become your compass for that journey. Traditional cost accounting often leaves leaders feeling stuck, looking at monthly reports that only show how you did in the past, backward looking. With throughput accounting, the game changes. Throughput accounting looks forward for better real-time decision making to help you steer towards success. How is it different? Well, we start by taking your existing cost accounting data and recalculating it into three simple but powerful metrics: throughput, investment, and operating expense. Throughput is simply all your revenue minus your truly variable cost required to produce product, such as raw material costs, shipping, sales commissions. Investment is all the money you have tied up in the company that will eventually produce throughput, but it includes things like raw material stock and finished goods inventory. Operating expense is all the costs that it takes to keep the doors open and run the business, such as rent, utilities, salaries, attorney fees, marketing, all the things that don't produce product and don't change as you produce more or less product. There are two key benefits from throughput accounting: performance visibility through the weekly throughput graphs GENEDGE provides, which enable us to ask the question each week, what can I do now to be better than before? The second key benefit is that it enables evaluation of operational decisions before they're implemented. Throughput accounting can be your crystal ball to help you foresee and judge the impact of future changes, such as changes in purchasing, inventory, pricing, staffing, and more. So how to apply throughput accounting? Well, the GENEDGE complementary assessment is one way. We call it the time, cash, and throughput assessment. In that assessment, over 6 weeks, we meet 1 hour a week with company leaders to perform the assessment and ask 3 questions. What is my financial goal? How am I doing toward that goal? And what could I do different to be better than before? After the assessment, we leave the Excel file behind so that you can use it to graph, monitor, and adjust your own throughput performance. Or if you want more GENEDGE help, as most companies do, we offer 6 more weeks of assistance for a small fee. The results of the GENEDGE time, cash, and throughput assessment for the last 5 companies we've worked with is impressive. We've seen average increases in annual net profit by 212%, return on sales by 185%, productivity increase by 46%, and free cash flow, that is cash in the bank, by about 70%, usually in just 12 weeks. You could be the next success story. In conclusion, throughput accounting is not just a financial strategy, and it doesn't replace your cost accounting system. It's a mindset shift that empowers leaders to make better decisions in the real time and steer toward profitability. If you're ready to break free of your traditional cost accounting system, throughput accounting may be the compass that you need and have been looking for. Just call your GENEDGE regional manager to sign up and schedule a start date. They can be found on the GENEDGE website. Thanks for joining GENEDGE Ask the Expert program today. If you found this valuable, please consider going to genedge.org and joining the GENEDGE Alliance. It costs nothing and provides loads of free information for business success. Until next time, this is Steve Holcomb signing off. Best regards for great success.